I think this is a great day for the Evergreen School District. I don't know about you, I think this is a fantastic building.
As 500 people pack the assembly hall to open the doors of Evergreen Public School's newest high school, those who helped shepherd Henrietta Lacks Health and Bioscience High School say it was well worth the effort. The school will provide a unique opportunity for 500 students interested in pursuing careers in health and science.
I think it's laid out nicely. I think it's going to serve the functionality we want, but it's also a school kids can come into and be proud of just in the surrounds.
Of course, you remember John, who...
Hi, John. How you doing? Good to see you.
Governor, thanks for stopping.
How you been?
Really appreciate it.
When Governor Jay Inslee walked through the doors of the school for a private tour, he was impressed right away, and he let Superintendent John Dieter know it.
I didn't know it was going to be this good.
On the outside, it's a brand new building 3 stories high.
Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful building. Look at that.
Inside, the governor got a whirlwind tour of HeLa High, as it's known in the district.
What was the inspiration for the name for the school?
Students who will be among the first to attend this school showed the governor a state-of-the-art school focusing on health and medicine.
So it's just one of the common areas where they can come to study. Yeah, they can bring their laptops and put them on the little counters over there.
That is the new style, isn't it?
And then also, as
you got some good solar cells on here?
Yeah, we got solar panels that
Great.
will be on for the whole school year, generating electricity.
So how many students do you think are going to be going here?
The school will have 300 students filling these classrooms the first year, freshmen and sophomores serving as pioneers in a giant learning lab for young people who want to become doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals someday.
Julie Tumelty, I'm the principal of the school.
HeLa Principal Julie Tumelty says the curriculum is tailor-made for a future in the health and bioscience fields.
It's going to give them a better high school experience because they're seeing the curriculum through the eyes of that field of study that they're already saying they want to do and they're passionate about. So connecting their curriculum to that and to their passions are going to give them a very unique and more fulfilling high school experience.
They'll be studying complex subjects with names like health informatics, pharmacology, and biotechnology, along with nursing and patient services. The state of Washington helped finance the school with matching funds, and the tour left the governor feeling it was money well spent.
Well, if you had to design a school that would answer the vision statement for our state, it would be right here. Giving our students both the capacity to have an experience that inspires them to be in science, technology, engineering, math, and the ability to actually do it. This is the sweetest spot in the state.
Downstairs we'll go into our PE room, which is unusual.
By the time the parents of these students and other visitors had their turn at the tour, it was clear Henrietta Lacks was unlike any other school they'd seen.
Our 2 full mannequins, and those mannequins are set up on computer systems so that they can be programmed by the nursing instructor.
From brand new science lab classrooms and libraries to a medical station that looks like a clinic to a balcony for students to study in the fresh air, the new school certainly left an impression. It took a lottery system to choose the 300 students who will be starting up this fall. The school will be filled to capacity with 500 students in 2 years' time, when this year's students are juniors and seniors. Teachers say it's the perfect environment for students planning to enter college in the health field.
One of the cool things about the school is smaller. We also have time set up for students to get extra help, to work with the students. So it's hopefully going to have the small school feel with a medical science type backdrop.
The kids are going to be able to do integrated projects and work in the classes so that it's not that they're just going to math class or science class, that they're going to be able to interact in the different classes and have a common thread of the health and biosciences through all the classes that they're doing, so they really see the connection to what their curriculum is rather than just going to the specific classes one by one.
HeLa High will serve as an incubator for students who will learn here and at area medical institutions, many of which Dieter says contributed to the planning of HeLa High.
We're only opening with freshmen and sophomores, but when those kids become juniors and seniors, they're going to be going and seeing the hospital and working in internships and mentorships. They're going to be going and seeing a number of other of our medical facilities.
$17.5 million in federal stimulus funds helped to pay for the school. Rick Melching was instrumental in getting HeLa High off the ground during his time as superintendent. He says after looking at other districts trying this kind of school, Evergreen may have outdone them all.
There is no other high school in the state of Washington like HeLa High. There are very few, if any, in the United States. We visited several, and I have to tell you, right out of the gate, this one is going to be better. So you have something to truly be proud of in this community.
Melching says the school will mean more than education, but an economic contributor to Vancouver and Clark County.
It's going to provide a world-class education over the years to thousands of students who wish to pursue careers in the fields of health and the biosciences. And our belief is that many of those students, and this was a prime factor in our interest initially, many of those students are going to make their homes in Clark County. Even if they go away to go to school, they're going to come back here. They're going to join the local workforce, and they're going to contribute to our local economy.
For those students, this coming school year means a dramatic change in their future plans.
On a scale of 1 to 10 for like my confidence that this school is giving me is like a 9 because it just like kind of like ensures that you have something like to do in the future and like you have like a mindset of what you want to do later on.
Mostly I'm hoping it'll show up on my college resume or something, and also I am excited here. I mean, I saw the nursing center with all the dummies and stuff, and I'm hoping to get a lot of experience here, you know, to help me towards my future.
So Henrietta Lacks High is now open for business, the business of educating young minds in the health sciences, providing a bright future for Evergreen students and ultimately the community.
Personally, I believe that we're all going to look back with pride in the memory that we were here together today in this building on the day when Henrietta Lacks Health and Bioscience High School was officially opened. This is a very, very unique high school and a unique experience for kids.